Like
Hey.
it's nice out here, huh?
Go stand right next to that truck, Squishy. Go stand right next to that truck. Picture time. Right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ya se están yendo.
That's a nice car.
Ya no han de haber ganado nada. Es que están dando ahorita los certificados de los que ganaron. ¿Y esa turquita como lo que tenía usted?
Which one?
My dad had one.
This one?
But it was white and red.
That's nice.
Top was red. Just like that.
Man, that's nice.
That's the one we went to Mexico in.
Really?
When we moved to Mexico, it was like that. Look how pretty. Oh, this white one is so pretty. Babe. That one.
I'm pretty sure, yes.
Oh my goodness.
You're like, I hope not.
¿Ese es carro avión, no?
So I don't know where to do on there. It's
Hey.
in Fort Worth. Like, I don't like that.
Hey, why is this one on the floor?
Brent just hasn't
¿Está en el piso? Picture time, Squishy. Right here. Picture time right here, look. Right here. Stand right there. Ready? Put your hands up like that.
But look how it's, I think they drop it.
Se puede también.
I would tell the curve.
¿A poco así lo manejaron?
No.
Yo pienso que tienen los chats.
Ah, sí, sí, sí.
And the weather.
Look at this one.
Yeah.
But I would say check too, because sometimes.
Ese es el mejor ahorita.
Well, I know on Tuesdays or Wednesdays they have it half price. Or actually it's even less than half.
Well, I think he's gonna ask.
Man, that's nice.
Yeah, okay, we're in Fort. So we're gonna need to go to the second one.
Next question, lights. Lights.
But you don't have to be stuck. There's so much around.
You want to stand right here? You want to take a picture right here? All right, stand right there.